Hello, in this video I will show you how to adjust the hand positions on a Casio Gshock 5540 if they do not match the digital time. As you can see, the analog hands are showing 0029 while the display is reading 159. Step number 1. Put the watch in the timekeeping mode by pressing few times on the mode button until you see the digital time. Step number 2. Hold the adjust button for a few seconds until you see SEC00 flashing. Now use the two buttons on the right side of the watch to move the second hand to the 0 mark, that is vertically facing the top. Press mode once and wait for the hands to move. Once the hands stop moving, again use the two buttons on the right side to move the time to 0.00, that is showing either midnight or noon time. When you are done, press the adjust button once to return to the timekeeping mode. As you can see now, both times are matching. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.